The Star of the Seas, Royal Caribbean's upcoming cruise ship, sister to Icon of the Seas, is expected to follow a similar strategy as previous large ships, like Quantum of the Seas, when clearing tall structures like the Golden Gate Bridge or other large bridges during sea trials or delivery routes. How do giant ships like Star of the Seas clear a bridge like the Golden Gate? 1. Airdraft versus bridge clearance. Airdraft, height of the ship from the waterline to its tallest point. Golden Gate Bridge clearance at high tide, approximately 220 feet, 67 meters. Ships must ensure their airdraft is less than the bridge clearance, ideally at low tide. 2. Telescoping or retractable funnels. Many large ships, including those in Royal Caribbean's fleet, use retractable funnels or smokestacks. This can reduce the ship's height by several feet, enough to pass safely under bridges. 3. Tide timing, low tide transit. The ship's bridge crew coordinates the transit during low tide to maximize clearance. This timing can provide an extra 6 to 10 feet of space. 4. Ballast adjustment. Cruise ships can take on ballast water, increase weight, to lower the ship in the water temporarily, reducing air draft. 5. Shipbuilding route. Often, these megaships are not routed under the Golden Gate Bridge at all. For example, Icon of the Seas and Star of the Seas are built in Europe, Meyer Turku shipyard in Finland, and do not pass under the Golden Gate Bridge. They are instead delivered across the Atlantic and headed toward Florida or the Caribbean via open ocean routes.